Do you want to unlock your potential and become unstoppable? Imagine having the secret to achieving success after success, feeling more confident, focused, and driven every day. In this video, we're diving into a powerful idea that will make you unstoppable by exploring the fascinating winner effect. You'll discover how winning changes your brain chemistry, making each victory a stepping stone to even greater achievements. We'll cover the science behind the winner effect, the addictive nature of winning, and historical examples of those who struggled with success. Plus, we'll provide practical tips for applying these insights to your personal finance, helping you build momentum, take smart risks, and bounce back from setbacks. Stick around, hit subscribe, and let's get started. First, let's talk about the winner effect. This is a super cool concept that explains why winning once can make it easier to win again and again. Imagine you're playing a video game and you beat a really tough level. That rush of excitement and confidence you feel, that's part of the winner effect in action. Here's what's happening in your brain. When you win, your brain releases a bunch of chemicals like dopamine, which is basically your brain's way of saying, "Hey, that felt great, let's do it again." This chemical boost makes you feel more confident and focused, and even a bit more daring, which can help you tackle new challenges with more energy and enthusiasm. Think about it like this. If you were learning to ride a bike and you finally managed to pedal without falling, your brain gets a hit of those feel-good chemicals. The next time you get on the bike, you're not just physically more capable, but you're mentally more prepared and confident, making it easier to succeed again. It's not just about the brain, though. Winning also affects your body. Your posture changes, you stand taller, and you move with more purpose. This physical change can influence how others see you and how you interact with the world, creating a positive feedback loop that sets you up for future wins. But here's the twist. The winner effect isn't just about winning big. It also works with small victories. Did you finish a task on your to-do list? That's a win. Did you manage to go for a jog in the morning? Another win. Each small success builds up your confidence and resilience, preparing you for bigger challenges down the road. So the winner effect is like your personal cheerleader, boosting your brain and body every time you succeed, no matter how big or small the victory. And the best part? You can start building this momentum today, one small win at a time. And now let's dive into why winning can be so addictive. Have you ever noticed how after a win, you feel this incredible high? That's because your brain is rewarding you with a rush of dopamine, which is often called the feel-good chemical. This surge makes you feel amazing, almost like you're on top of the world. It's a natural high, and your brain loves it. Here's where it gets interesting. The more you win, the more your brain craves that dopamine hit. It's like when you eat your favorite candy, one piece is never enough. You want more because it tastes so good. Winning works the same way. Each victory pushes you to chase the next one, creating a cycle that can be incredibly motivating, but also quite addictive. Now, not everyone reacts to this the same way. Some people become laser-focused and use their wins to propel themselves to greater heights. They stay grounded and maintain their balance. But for others, this can lead to a kind of obsession. They might start taking bigger risks just to feel that high again, which can sometimes lead to trouble. So why do some people handle this better than others? It often comes down to self-control and mental resilience. Think of it like a muscle. The more you work on it, the stronger it gets. Those who can keep their cool, stay humble, and manage their emotions tend to navigate the addictive nature of winning more effectively. They enjoy their victories, but don't let the highs cloud their judgment. Understanding the addictive nature of winning helps you use it to your advantage without letting it take over. It's all about balance, enjoying the ride, and keeping your feet on the ground while you reach for the stars. Let's dive into some real stories to understand how success can be a double-edged sword. First up, Howard Hughes. He was an aviation pioneer and a Hollywood film producer, achieving tremendous success and wealth. But despite his accomplishments, Hughes struggled immensely with mental health issues. He became a recluse, hiding away from the world due to severe obsessive-compulsive disorder and paranoia. His story shows that success doesn't always mean happiness or peace of mind. Next, consider the legendary boxer Mike Tyson. He became the youngest heavyweight champion in history, a true testament to his talent and hard work. However, his success came with significant personal and financial turmoil. Tyson faced legal issues, spent time in prison, and squandered a fortune. His life reminds us that managing success is just as crucial as achieving it. Now, what do these stories teach us about unlocking your potential? This idea will make you unstoppable if you understand that success isn't just about winning. It's about balance, mental health, and making wise choices even when you're on top. Both Hughes and Tyson had the potential to be unstoppable, but their struggles with success highlight the importance of staying grounded and maintaining a healthy mindset. They show us that to truly unlock your potential, you need to manage your success wisely and not let it control you. These examples underscore a crucial point. While the winner effect can propel you to great heights, it's essential to handle the pressures and responsibilities that come with it. By learning from their experiences, you can navigate your path to success with a balanced approach, ensuring that your victories lead to sustained growth and well-being. These stories of Howard Hughes and Mike Tyson are more than just cautionary tales. They're lessons in how to handle success without losing sight of what truly matters. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far and want more topics like this, comment the word "more" so I know. Now, let's apply the winner effect to personal finance. First up, power dynamics. When you win, even in small ways, it boosts your confidence. This newfound confidence can be a game changer in financial negotiations. Imagine walking into a bank to discuss a loan or sitting down with a potential investor. If you've recently had a series of wins, you're likely to exude confidence and assertiveness, which can help you negotiate better terms. And think about it this way: confidence is contagious. When you believe in yourself, others are more likely to believe in you too. This can make a huge difference in how you're perceived in financial discussions. You're not just asking for money, you're presenting yourself as a capable and trustworthy individual who can deliver results. This shift in power dynamics can turn the tide in your favor, leading to more favorable deals and opportunities. Let's dive into the concept of momentum and how it can supercharge your financial success. Imagine you're riding a bike. At first, it takes a lot of effort to get those pedals moving, but once you gain speed, it's much easier to keep going. This is exactly how financial momentum works. When you start making small financial wins, like paying off a tiny debt or saving a bit of extra cash each month, you're essentially pedaling that bike. These small victories might not seem like much on their own, but they build up. Each success gives you a confidence boost and a sense of achievement, making it easier to tackle bigger financial goals. Think about it this way: you pay off a small credit card debt. Now that money you used to spend on interest can be saved or invested. That's a win. Next, you set a goal to save $500. You hit that target and suddenly, saving $1,000 seems achievable. Each step builds on the last, creating a positive feedback loop. But it's not just about the money, it's about the habits you form. Developing good financial habits, like budgeting and regularly reviewing your finances, keeps that momentum going. It's like maintaining your bike to ensure a smooth ride. And here's a fun analogy. Think of your financial journey like a game of dominoes. You set up each piece carefully, and with one small push, they all start to fall, one after another. Your initial efforts create a chain reaction, making each subsequent step a bit easier and more impactful. In essence, building momentum in your finances is about starting small, celebrating each win, and letting those successes propel you forward. It's a powerful way to stay motivated and make significant progress over time. All right, let's talk about risk-taking. It might sound a bit scary at first, but taking risks is a key part of achieving financial success. Think of it like this. Imagine you're at a crossroads and one path is well-trodden, safe, but leads to the same place everyone else is going. The other path is less clear, a bit more challenging, but it holds the potential for something amazing. That's the essence of risk-taking. In the world of finance, calculated risks can lead to big rewards. But here's the catch. It's all about being smart and strategic. You don't want to jump into something without knowing the possible outcomes. It's like preparing for a hike. You need to have a map, understand the terrain, and be ready for any surprises along the way. One great example is investing in stocks. It's riskier than just keeping your money in a savings account, but with the right knowledge and a bit of patience, it can yield much higher returns. The key is to do your homework. Research the companies you're investing in, understand market trends, and don't put all your eggs in one basket. Another important aspect is to know your risk tolerance. Everyone has a different comfort level with risk, and that's okay. Some people thrive on the excitement of high-risk investments, while others prefer a more cautious approach. The trick is to find a balance that works for you. And remember, not every risk will pay off. That's part of the game. What's crucial is how you handle setbacks. Learn from them, adjust your strategy, and keep moving forward. Every step you take, even the missteps, are part of your journey to financial success. Now let's talk about resilience, the secret sauce that makes you truly unstoppable in your journey to unlock your potential. Picture this. You're cruising along the road to success and suddenly you hit a bump. Maybe it's a financial setback, a career obstacle, or a personal challenge. Whatever it is, resilience is what helps you bounce back stronger than ever. Think of resilience as your inner steel, your ability to bend but not break in the face of adversity. It's about embracing setbacks as opportunities for growth, rather than letting them derail your progress. When you encounter obstacles on your path to success, resilience is what keeps you moving forward, one step at a time. But here's the thing. Resilience isn't just about toughing it out and soldiering on. It's also about learning from your experiences, adapting to new situations, and finding creative solutions to overcome challenges. It's like navigating through a maze. Sometimes you hit dead ends, but resilience is what helps you find alternate routes to your goals. So how do you cultivate resilience in your own life? It starts with shifting your mindset from one of defeat to one of resilience. Instead of dwelling on past failures or setbacks, focus on what you can learn from them and how you can grow stronger as a result. Surround yourself with supportive people who lift you up and encourage you to keep pushing forward. And remember, resilience isn't something you're born with. It's a skill that can be developed and honed over time. So embrace the challenges, embrace the setbacks, and embrace the opportunities to grow and become the unstoppable force you were meant to be. Unlock your potential, harness the power of resilience, and watch as nothing stands in your way on the path to success. Because when you combine determination, perseverance, and a resilient spirit, there's truly no limit to what you can achieve. Now let's dive into the power of mindset. Imagine your mind as the steering wheel of your life's journey. Where you direct it, that's where you'll go. A winning mindset isn't just about thinking positively. It's about cultivating a resilient and proactive approach to every challenge and opportunity. First off, let's talk about growth mindset versus fixed mindset. If you believe that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through hard work and dedication, you have a growth mindset. This mindset turns obstacles into learning opportunities and fuels continuous improvement. On the flip side, a fixed mindset might make you shy away from challenges because you believe your abilities are static. Another key aspect is setting clear, achievable goals. When you have a winning mindset, you break down your big dreams into smaller, manageable steps. Each small win boosts your confidence and builds momentum, making the larger goals seem more attainable. It's like climbing a ladder, one rung at a time. And let's not forget about self-talk. The conversations you have with yourself matter. Encouraging and positive self-talk can keep you motivated, especially when things get tough. It's about being your own cheerleader, reminding yourself of your strengths and past successes. Lastly, surround yourself with positive influences. The people you spend time with can significantly impact your mindset. Seek out those who inspire you, who push you to be better, and who support your goals. Their energy and attitudes can help reinforce your own winning mindset. All right, let's dive into how social status and wealth are intertwined. Imagine your social status as your personal brand. Just like how brands have power and influence, so does your social status. When people see you as successful and influential, new opportunities start to open up. Think about it. Have you ever noticed that influential people often get the first shot at the best deals, insider information, and valuable networks? That's because their social status puts them in the spotlight. By nurturing your social status, you can position yourself to access better financial opportunities. But how do you actually build and leverage your social status? Start with your reputation. Consistently doing good work and being reliable builds trust and respect. It's like planting seeds in a garden. Over time, you'll see the fruits of your labor. Networking is another key piece. Connect with people in your industry, attend events, and participate in communities. These connections can lead to partnerships, mentorships, and collaborations that boost your financial prospects. It's not about using people, it's about mutual growth and support. Additionally, don't underestimate the power of social media. Platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and even Instagram can showcase your achievements and skills to a broader audience. Sharing your successes and engaging with others online helps to build your social status even further. Remember, your social status is more than just how others see you. It's a tool that can open doors and create wealth-building opportunities. So focus on building a strong, positive reputation, connect with like-minded individuals, and use your social platforms wisely. With these strategies, you'll find that social status and wealth often go hand in hand. And there you have it, guys. The winner effect isn't just a theory, it's a powerful phenomenon that can transform your life in profound ways. By understanding how winning influences your brain and behavior, you can unlock your full potential and become truly unstoppable. So go out there, embrace your victories, and keep striving for greatness. Now, if you found this video helpful, I highly recommend watching my next video, which is the perfect complement to this one. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your engagement is like applause for our efforts, and it motivates us to bring even more valuable content your way. So feel free to drop a comment below. I appreciate your support, and I'll see you in my next video.